To pass along to you right now concerning convicted South Florida Ponzi schemer and disbarred attorney Scott Rothstein. Today was sentencing day, and the sentence is just in. Rothstein will get 50 years behind bars. Proceedings began a few hours ago in a federal courtroom in Fort Lauderdale. The 47-year-old bilked investors out of $1.2 billion. He faced up to 100 years behind bars, but his attorneys argued Rothstein deserved leniency for being so cooperative with investigators. News Channel 5's legal analyst Michelle Suskauer joins us live now with some perspective on this. So, Michelle, he faced a 100-year sentence. Prosecutors were pushing for 40, and the judge gave him 50.
That's right.
Why?
Well, it's interesting, and I think that the way these federal courts are looking at these cases and how big these cases are is very, very seriously. So although he cooperated, although he's going to pay restitution, the court thought this was just way too serious and did not want to see him really ever get out of prison. And this really ensures that.
So he's 47 now. 50 years, for all intents and purposes, is a life sentence for Rothstein. Will he serve all 50? Could this be reduced?
Well, in the federal system, you have to serve 87.5% of your sentence, so you don't have to serve 100%. But if he continues to provide information, good information, he could absolutely come back and ask for a reduction in his sentence. Will he get it? It really depends. It depends on what the judge wants to do, depends on the amount of information and how good it is.
All right. So, in your opinion, did Bernie Madoff's case play a role in this case? Did Madoff affect Rothstein in his sentence?
Well, that was a different jurisdiction. It's a different person, different facts. But certainly, I really do think the way that these federal courts are looking at these matters is very, very seriously. This was a huge, huge scheme, $1.2 billion. And he really did, he forged his judges' names on orders. And so many people lost so much. And he lived a very, very high lifestyle. So the judge took it very seriously.
In your crystal ball, what do you think? All told, end of the day, after the appeals go through, what do you think? What do you think he'll serve?
Oh, no, I mean, he's going to spend the rest of his life in prison. It's a very, very difficult life. And even though, I mean, he's in his late 40s, he got a 50-year sentence. If he's lucky, he'd get out in his early 80s. But again, it's a tough life. I just don't see him getting out.
All right. Michelle Suskauer, News Channel 5 legal analyst. Thank you so much for your perspective on all of these cases. Thank you.